ready? And
No!
today we're gonna make some mango graham cake.
It's done already.
Isang kumari lang.
It's done.
Ay.
It's done, Mommy.
Go, pour it in. Pour it in here. Come on, Jason. You can just bottoms up. Who are you making a cake for, Jason?
I need to make study cake.
Daddy's cake?
Yeah. I'll put it in the freezer, Mommy.
What are you gonna put in the freezer?
Because I need to surprise him.
You need to surprise him?
Yeah, surprise.
Why? Is his birthday coming up?
Yeah.
Jason's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I've waited for so long.
It's good. I'm just tasting it.
You're just tasting it.
Yeah. Mommy, look at this.
했어 웃는 거 다 알아. 난 항상 이 자리에요.
Kumalito ka. Korean heart. Isa pa ganun. Today, we're gonna make mango graham cake. Today, we're gonna make mango graham cake. We're gonna make some mango graham cake. Eliza is not invited.